Ah, the beauty of the internet, where a sneezing animal can become a pop culture sensation. Number 23. Sneezing baby panda.
Lemon, come here, you gotta see this. It's a video of a baby panda sneezing.
Ah, the beauty of the internet, where a sneezing animal can become a pop culture sensation. This is one of the OG YouTube videos, being uploaded to the site in November 2006. And it's really quite simple in nature. A mother panda is happily munching on some bamboo when her baby cub sneezes. The mommy panda is startled by the sneeze, but quickly goes back to eating her snack. Yes, this is the type of content that went viral in the mid-2000s. Isn't it wonderful? And it has brought complete joy to hundreds of millions of viewers.